Look at this. So everything, it looks good. Look at that. Very shiny, no runs. That's beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Look. This is gonna be a show car. Woo! It's gonna be a show car, guys. Look at that. Once it's put together, it's very nice. Beauty. Wow. So, see you guys in the station, and been putting it together. Gonna put it back tomorrow. Everything will put it back. We're gonna mask it first tomorrow morning and put the parts together, doors, the hood, and the bumper, all the handles, mirrors, everything. It's gonna be a nice car, a show car. Right on.